Now let's move on to the front end. Create a web client. Okay, set up a React app and wallet. Okay, first set up a wallet. Click here, download it. You can download it in multiple browsers. Click on install command. Here you can see that I've already installed it, that's why it's showing. Remove from Chrome button. uh, this is the Metamask extension that I have installed it, so you can install it also. Okay, and set up it here. Okay, now let's set up a website. There are two method of it. One that is provided by buildspace.so is using the Replit. Replit is basically a browser-based IDE that lets you easily build web apps and deploy them all from the browser. So it's super easy. You just have to don't have to set up a local environment. Rather, you can just go to just website Replit and just for the repository that provided by uh, anyone. Right now we are doing the build space ISO, so it asks us to just fork it. Here is the repository. Start a repository. We can just run it. Okay, so that's how we will going to see it once we will fork it in our account. Now here what we are going to do, rather than using the Replit, we are going to set up on our local machine by cloning the repository. Okay, so here is the code. Let's clone it.